Your best is remove background noises, make your audio quality 1000 times better using just CapCut.
Hi guys, you can see I'm not using a microphone and the noise from my fan is entering into the video. Background noises are entering into the video. So now let me use my mic. This is me using my mic and it's very mic on. My mic has gone off. Now, don't worry, I got you covered. Now I'm going to be teaching you how you can remove background noise from your video, make your video sound better and make it sound very audible. Especially if you don't have a mic, then this one is for you. Hi, I'm not a huge fan of voiceover, but I'll be making it quick. The first thing you're going to do, you're going to first of all click on your video and reduce the noise, which is free. Hi guys, you can see I'm not using a microphone and the noise from my fan is. And this is the difference between the two, the one we use and the one that was not used. Enhance your voice. These are for people that are using the pro version. Click on voice cleanup and increase it from 75 to 100. Press volume, increase it to 1000. If you don't have the pro, just do this and reduce the noise, then you're good to go. But if you have the pro, let's continue. Extract audio. After extracting the audio, you duplicate it, and after duplicating it, you put it directly under that clip. You guys know that we're working with the first clip. The second clip is to show you how it was before and after. You get. If you don't have the pro, click on reduce noise to adjust it. After that, click on volume, drag to 1000, then on loudest adjustment to increase throughout all clips. Then you're good to go. Background noise is entering into the video. Hi guys, you can see I'm not using a microphone and the noise from my fan is entering into the video. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe to my channel where I always do a lot of things. Hi, I'm Timayo. I am a YouTuber that I love to post content, but things that you can use to post live. A content creator. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye for now. Bye.